Alright, so we are Miss Apple and we're excited at the prospect of what's happening. So from last year, people, from way in last year, because you know the Miss Apple also is moving at a pace. So our projection was that the house was gonna finish early. So one of the donors them gave, while my wife was in the States, gave her $400 to purchase a bed for Miss Apple. So the that money is left back because she got a different bed set from a different donor or donors. So the lady in Florida, I'm going to big her up in her car, big up her, I'm going to call her restaurant name. Me no remember if I call the name of the restaurant, but big up Sister S, big up yourself, loud, you've been a tower strength in what we do, see it? So big up yourself, your restaurant pan loud, Miami pan loud. All right, so Mass Apple, this lady now in Florida, she have one big old judgment size restaurant. When we go to foreign, we are good on they go eat food.
Hello. Hello.
Tap on the phone.
Hello. Hello, what? How you guys? Right now, I want some groceries in my house.
Well, don't worry yourself. When me bring come, you can buy out the supermarket. You want coffee, go shop till you jump. When me say you can go do, you can go shop till you jump.
Larry, bring up.
It's not Sister Bigfoot Doreen.
Larry, bring up. I want to see you at the concert.
Papa Jesus.
I want to talk to you face to face.
Papa Jesus. Nadine Brown, amen, amen. Pamsy Grant, I would like to see that. It's like to see, in no way that I like to see, but whatever it is. Oh, the house. Come on, the house. The house is beautiful. The color is amazing. A Mass Apple keep our yard clean. Me can tell any Mr. and Mrs. man that. The color is super duper nice. Everything a click. But me could deal with that part first. So Mass Apple, oy, I want to present to you this money, but Mass Apple, he say, me can tell you something. They say, me forget half of the money, you know. No, me forget half of the money.
Look here. This one is what this one I bring money.
Yeah, man. So let me tell you.
I can't go in it.
You can't go. Then look here now. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, Mass Apple. Hold on. Let me tell you what happened now. Me tell you what happened. Sister S say, me forget half her money. Yes, man. She's, I can tell you, this is $59,000, and she said, me forget half. So, yes. So, when me I said to you, they no fear. I fear, you know. Anything you want to do with it, you do with it. But me, that whole of Miss Apple, at the little half of me, I tell you, say me forget. I don't know what half me I take, you know. She only say me forget half, me forget 59,000, and me forget half, so me forget 50,000, and you get 5,000. And that's all. Ladies and gentlemen, but Miss Apple, let me tell you, Miss Apple, she may cannot hold the cash in her hands to count it fully.
Yeah.
But I can count it. So Miss Apple, turn the camera around like so, palm me.
Put it in my lap and brace
After
like
me no know, say,
baby.
you have to hold it like some missy.
Put it like baby in my lap.
Me I go do it a different way. Never put the camera like a so. Yeah, people, if you not see it.
You can't come near. You can't come near.
Eh?
You can't come near.
You? Hold on them Mass Apple, me figure out a way. Yeah man, you have to come nearer. Me figure out a way, Mass Apple. I figured out a way, man. I figured out a way. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, because I never have nobody to hold on pan. I open and see me.
Yeah.
So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Hold on pan apart, Mass Apple. So we know that at 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 30 and 10 that are 40. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That has 50. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 1 make 9. Alright. So that is 59 in total. Make me turn round. Camera pan, you know. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys saw it. I want you to big up Lady S. Yes. So big up Lady S over Miami. Lady S over Miami with the restaurant. All pleasure. All pleasure. And people wanna see why Miss Apple live long to, cause you see, you notice one nice something build up for your flowers them go in. And you know, as you can see, the little pathway them for show up, and it is beautiful. Oh yeah. No, a Beverly Hills house this get Miss Apple. A Beverly Hills house this get the house turn up. Look there. House proper. Miss Apple, can I show them on the inside? Can me not be kind of swap when they house again, you know? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, me don't know if we live ever cut off, cause you know, but me I telling you say it is gorgeous. In here is a beauty. Oh my God. Look at everything. It absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Look there, man. No, sir. At Beverly Hills, me there. Or me there, Caribbean Estate. Look there. House can nicer, man. I'm afraid to go down there, some people, because, baby, if I go all the way down, it may cut off. The signal may cut off. I don't know if you not see clearly. Look there. This is one gorgeous house. I'm happy for Miss Apple. Could I dress her to Papa Jesus? What I dress her look good. Miss Apple, you know me, I want that to myself. Because I said that dress here look like it too little for you. Me have one down on my yard, they want to swap it. What? Me have one dresser down on my yard. That one I look too little for you, man. Me have one, me want to swap it. Okay with that. Yeah. Me say, people just look good, you know, man. Me that's why. You're okay with it? Papa Jesus, this is gorgeous. When somebody hears something, you don't forget. Miss Apple is a lover of flowers, lover of plant. You can see she have all our flowers them in her yard. Same way, lovers of flowers, and she just love these things. You understand that? She just absolutely love them. Gorgeous, may I tell you. Yeah, man. Just show that briefly. I can't go. No, if I go in, it a go blur. It a go come off of this something. But just a quick look at the house. As I said before, it is gorgeous. It is beautiful. Amen. You know, the open concept, the openness, the island, everything. It is gorgeous. I'm afraid to go inside, because if I go inside too much, the dresser nice, the bed bad. Everything about this is gorgeous and lovely. You're taking anything out there, young man. Give me one camera. Eh? No, I just wrap it like this. I not wrap it tight, you know. It's just like this. So you take out what you want out of it, alright? Okay. Alright. Respect Mass Apple. Oh. Mass Apple. Later. Give me money there. Zazan, give me money. Alright. Don't sound like I tell. Be in everything with you.